There are many dash cams available in the market nowadays, making it a challenging choice to find the right one that suits you. As the demand for dash cams is increasing, 70mai has introduced a great all-rounder product at an affordable price. This is the 70mai 4K A810 dashcam. The A810 sports a 150-degree field of view and has a 1.8 aperture, all just adding to the fantastic image quality. Moreover, the range of built-in surveillance features like AI motion detection makes this a must-have surveillance tool for peace of mind. So the burning question is this thing really worth the asking price? And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. So unboxing the A810, and you get a bit in the box to help with setup and installation. In the box we not only get the front and rear cameras, but we also get a USB cord for power, car charger socket, an electrostatic sticker, a wiring crowbar, and your very basic user manual. Now in terms of build quality of this camera, it falls somewhere in the middle. The camera is constructed of plastic material, which is not particularly special, but as a result the camera is noticeably lightweight, despite being very sturdy and robust. Before you can start using your A810, you must first install it in your vehicle. The installation process can be either easy or difficult depending on the approach and whether you're using an additional camera. There are two main aspects of installation to consider: mounting the camera and providing the power source. Now mounting the camera, well, it is a relatively simple process. First, we can use the provided clear electrostatic sticker to attach the camera to your windshield. You just simply remove the plastic from the camera's base and stick it to the electrostatic sticker on your windshield. It is essential to take your time and align it correctly because you only really get one chance. However, once on, that really is it in terms of installing it. Now we can go to the rear of our car and install the rear dash cam. This is very simple as well, you can just adhere it to your windshield. Providing power to the camera can be more complicated than you might expect, but it does depend on what you want to use. Now the A810 comes with a car charger that plugs into the auxiliary power outlet, and that is obviously the easier option. Alternatively, you can purchase a hardwire kit. This allows you to directly connect to your vehicle's fuse box. Now hardwiring is necessary for some features such as motion detection at all times, as it allows the A810 to draw power even when your vehicle is off. Now the choice is up to you, but I would recommend actually hardwiring this to get the full benefit out of it. Now after mounting it, you are going to want to ensure that your cables are a bit more tidier, and this is where that crowbar tool comes in very handy. You can just simply push the cables into your car trims, ensuring everything is neat from the front of the car all the way back to the rear. Just poke it all in the holes that you can, just making it look a bit more professional. The 70mai dashcam utilizes the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 image sensor, which is capable of capturing 4K Ultra HD footage, and that is with exceptional clarity during the daytime. It is also equipped with May Color Vivid Plus technology that enhances color accuracy and image realism, and that is without oversaturating the colors. The device has an 8-megapixel image sensor that captures more pixels, resulting in clearer and more detailed images. Its size has increased by 68% compared to the previous flagship model, the IMX415, while the photosensitive area has expanded by 90%. Furthermore, the device now delivers double the performance in low light conditions too. In here we also have a May Color Vivid solution that optimizes footage quality in terms of its exposure balance, color accuracy and stability, especially under those complex lighting conditions. Impressively though, the IQ tuning enhances license plate clarity while reducing irrelevant regions. When you watch your footage back, you will notice you will be able to zoom in and get a fully enhanced readable number plate. The camera lens has a wide angle 150 degrees, which is perfect for capturing a broad view in front of the car. It has 7 layers to capture the light in ultra high definition, and it also has IR functionality and a large 1.8 aperture. So this can deliver great results even at night time. As you can see, the nighttime footage is, well, it is fantastic. You can get a clear picture of number plates, individual details, and much more. It is just fantastic. Now, although that rear camera only captures 1080p resolution, it is still pretty good. The colours are not as vibrant and it does struggle in tricky lighting conditions, but it still manages to produce a picture that is more than viewable, including gathering all the crucial information like number plates and much more. The camera is also equipped with a night owl vision feature, which, when combined with a HDR algorithm, it produces a clear and detailed amount of footage in low light conditions. This feature works especially well in extremely dark or low light environments, as well as contrast environments, resulting in a wider dynamic range and less noise in the footage. And as you can see, the nighttime shots are just very impressive, even from the rear view camera on this. Now this does connect up to the 70mai app via the dashcam's Wi-Fi, enabling users to access real-time footage, take photos, download photos, videos to their phone, or share directly to other sources. Users can also adjust settings such as the resolution level, recording duration, G-sensor sensitivity, and much more. But it doesn't stop there. This camera has its fair share of smart features. The first one being Smart 4G Parking Guardian Mode. This actually comes with an advanced AI motion detection algorithm that identifies any suspicious human activity in the vicinity of your parked car. It automatically activates recording, but for this feature to work, your car needs to have constant power supply even when it's turned off. So that's where that hardwiring kit will need to come in. In case of unusual forces or collisions detected by the built-in G-sensor during parking, the camera will start recording emergency footage. And the best thing about it all is you'll receive a notification on your phone letting you know. So you can bring up the footage or the pictures and just download them for future reference later on. The second feature is Super Sensing ADAS. This feature is incredibly helpful as it detects your surroundings and alerts you of potential safety issues through real-time voice alerts that are delivered straight to the camera for you to hear. What's great about this feature is that we can customize it to how we want within the app, with a fair share of options. We can choose to receive alerts for lane departure, forward collision, moving traffic, and even pedestrian collision. Although sometimes this feature can be quite patchy, there have been times where it has been working really well for me. For instance, when I drift lanes, I receive a sound notification prompting me to get back in my lane, and it is really helpful. GPS-enabled positioning offers you trip data as well as route tracking. The A810 comes with built-in GPS that logs and displays various trip data like speed, time, and coordinates. Now this allows you to pinpoint the exact location of an accident if one occurs, which is crucial for filing insurance or police reports, so it will come in very handy. Additionally, the dashcams automatically traces your driving route, which can be reviewed in the app after each trip. This information can also become useful for solid proof of a travel and is also helpful for route optimization. Now, all in all, the front camera alone on the A810 makes it one of the best affordable dashcams on the market currently. When you pair that up with its GPS and phone connectivity, well, you truly are getting the full package. Just being able to indulge in AI motion detection and the ADAS audio feedback warnings for lane departure, moving traffic, and forward collision, well, it is truly fantastic. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.